Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you a quick and inexpensive mod to do to your E90 BMW. To accomplish this job, we have to remove the vents around. You can set that aside. Remove this rocker switch here. Press in, rotate out. Okay, so here's the switch assembly removed from the car. There's some tabs that you gotta depress. Set that aside. Now, while looking at the switch, there's a couple clips here, top and bottom. Remove that. Now we can pull this out. I'm going to put it in the middle position just for when I remove it. You can see. Alright, so here's a new switch. That's what they look like. Just like an LCI. Put this back. Alright, let's go put this back on the car. There you go, nice little simple mod that dresses up your interior. Alright guys, there you have it, a nice little easy mod for your E90. I'm going to put a link in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these switches. It basically makes it look like an LCI, and if you haven't already been able to tell, I'm trying to make my car OEM plus. I have a mixture of different parts in here now. So thanks for watching. If this is your first video, consider subscribing for more content like this. I upload regularly.